Hello everyone, welcome to How to Money. Today I will be teaching you how to buy your first Bitcoin or a fraction of it with Coinbase, a broker based in the United States. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring and storing digital currency. They are based, like I said, in the United States. They currently serve over 43 million users in more than 100 countries worldwide. So what can you do with Coinbase? With Coinbase, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency or digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many others. You can do it very easily, very quickly, and most importantly, very safely. Also, you can send and receive digital currency between online wallets, friends, and other platforms. Now, without further ado, let's start. Hand over to coinbase.com, make sure it's the correct website, and click on Get Started and fill in your personal information like first name, last name, email, and choose your password. Make sure it's not a simple one and make sure that's unique. After you create your account, you will be asked for some personal information like the source of your funds. You'll need to upload your personal ID and they will be asking you what's your job and how you make money. Take your time, fill those information, and after you finish, Coinbase will take a moment to verify your account. Once you set up your account and Coinbase team went through the verification process, you are ready to make your first purchase. This is the Coinbase platform, the home page. Here you check your balance, you have your watch list, your portfolio, and your recent transactions. If you hand over to portfolio, you will see how much you have of each assets. So now let's make our first purchase. Hand over to your username, settings, and we have to set a payment method. There are mainly two ways to buy digital currency with Coinbase. The first method is with your credit card, which is instant but comes with higher fees. The second method, which is the one I recommend, is to make a deposit to their bank account. This method could take a day or two, depending on your bank and your country, but it's the method with lower fees. For the sake of this video, I will show you the credit card method. For you, this page will be empty. Hand over to add a payment method and choose debit card. Fill your credit card information here, all information, and click add card. And your card will appear here. Once you fill your credit card information and your card is registered, click to buy and sell. Here you can buy cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Like I said at the beginning of this video, you can buy also a fraction of cryptocurrency. So let's buy 30. We buy Bitcoin, we choose our payment method, which is my credit card. We preview the buy. You see, this is how much I receive. That's the current price, is in euro. The amount I purchase, the Coinbase fee, yes, like I said, with credit cards, there is a fee, and the total I will be charged. And buy now. Voila! Now we bought 0.001 Bitcoin. After a quick moment, you will see your Bitcoin reflected in your portfolio. Hand over to portfolio, click on Bitcoin. You will see the latest transaction and how much you got. Like I said, I paid 30 euros minus 2. That was the fees. And this is the detail of the transaction. So that's it. I showed you how to buy your first Bitcoin. If you like this kind of content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you want to see more content from me. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.